Welcome to the world of air plants. These incredible plants are a marvel of nature, capturing the imagination of plant enthusiasts everywhere. Air plants, also known as Tillandsia, are fascinating and unique plants. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes and colors, making them a versatile choice for any plant lover. They are like little miracles of nature, thriving in environments where other plants might struggle. Their resilience and adaptability are truly remarkable. Why? Because they don't need soil to grow. This unique characteristic sets them apart from most other plants. Imagine that plants that thrive without soil. This makes them perfect for creative displays and arrangements, adding a touch of nature to any space.
Instead of soil, they absorb nutrients and moisture from the air around them through their leaves. This process is called epiphytism, and it allows them to live in a variety of environments. This makes them incredibly versatile and easy to care for. Whether you place them in a terrarium, mount them on a piece of driftwood, or simply hang them in the air, they will thrive with minimal care.
Air plants are epiphytes, which means they naturally grow on other plants or objects for support. This allows them to access light and air more efficiently. But don't worry, they aren't parasites. They simply use their host as a perch, taking nothing from it. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the air plant and its host.
In their natural habitats, you might find them clinging to tree branches, rocks, or even telephone wires. Their ability to adapt to such diverse environments is a testament to their resilience and beauty.
Caring for air plants is surprisingly simple. These unique plants, also known as Tillandsia, are epiphytes, meaning they don't need soil to grow. Instead, they absorb moisture and nutrients through their leaves. They have basic needs like all plants, but with a twist. Unlike traditional houseplants, air plants can thrive in a variety of creative displays, from hanging terrariums to mounted on driftwood. Firstly, they enjoy bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can be too harsh and may scorch their delicate leaves. Think of a shady spot on your windowsill where the sun's rays don't directly hit them. They love that. A north or east-facing window is often ideal.
Secondly, let's talk about watering. Forget the watering can. Traditional watering methods can lead to overwatering and rot. Air plants prefer a good misting 2 to 3 times a week. This mimics the natural environment where they thrive, often in humid tropical climates. Use a spray bottle and give them a generous spritz, ensuring the entire plant is damp. Be sure to shake off any excess water to prevent rot. Alternatively, you can even dunk them in a bowl of water for 10 to 20 minutes once a week. This deep watering method ensures they get enough moisture.
Finally, good air circulation is key. Air plants need to dry out completely between waterings to avoid rot. Avoid keeping them in stuffy, enclosed spaces. Poor ventilation can lead to mold and other issues. A well-ventilated room will keep your air plants happy and healthy. With these simple tips, your air plants will thrive and add a touch of greenery to your home.
Now comes the fun part, displaying your air plants. Their unique ability to grow without soil opens up a world of creative possibilities. One popular option is hanging glass terrariums. These spherical wonders provide a stylish and modern home for your air plants.
If you prefer a more natural look, consider mounting them on pieces of driftwood. This creates a stunning, minimalist display that brings a touch of the outdoors in.
But don't stop there. Let your imagination run wild. You can place them in seashells, teacups, or even create your own miniature fairy gardens.
Air plants are more than just plants. They are living sculptures, adding a touch of greenery and whimsy to any space. These unique plants, known scientifically as Tillandsia, don't require soil to grow. Instead, they absorb moisture and nutrients through their leaves, making them incredibly versatile and easy to display in creative ways. Whether you place them on a bookshelf, a coffee table, or hang them in a terrarium, air plants can transform any room into a lush green oasis. Their low-maintenance nature makes them perfect for busy individuals or those new to plant parenthood. All they need is a light misting of water a few times a week and indirect sunlight to thrive. For new plant parents, air plants offer a gentle introduction to the joys of plant care without the stress of complicated maintenance routines. With a little care and attention, these fascinating plants will thrive in your home, purifying the air and bringing a touch of the exotic to your surroundings. Imagine a windowsill adorned with flourishing air plants, each one a testament to the beauty of nature's resilience. These plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contribute to a healthier living environment by purifying the air. So why wait? Why not introduce an air plant into your home today? They are a unique and rewarding addition, reminding us that sometimes the most beautiful things in life require the least amount of fuss. Display them in unique containers, or let them stand alone as a statement piece. The possibilities are endless. Embrace the simplicity and elegance of air plants and let them bring a breath of fresh air into your home.